Hi, this is Mark Meshulam, the Chicago Window Expert. I'm standing in the intersection of two streets here in residential Northbrook, Illinois, just outside of Chicago. We're still at the tail end of the Ground Hog Day 2011 blizzard. The street is completely shut down. There are no cars on this street or this street. The snow is at least a foot deep, and in the drifts 2, 3, and even 4 feet deep. The wind has been blowing consistently overnight between 30 and 50 miles an hour. When I'm surrounded by snowflakes going every possible direction and swirling around, I begin to understand why it's so difficult to predict the weather. There's so much randomness here, and there's the reaction of the wind to obstacles. That's the Ground Hog Day blizzard of 2011. It's Mark Meshulam, Chicago Window Expert. Going to get some